In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of using Affirm on Expedia. Whether you're planning a dream vacation or a quick getaway, Affirm can simplify the payment process, making it smooth and hassle-free. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, start by doing your thing on Expedia. Whether you're in the mood for flights, hunting down the perfect hotel, or eyeing something special, Expedia's got it all. Take your time, explore the option, and when you're prepared to complete your transaction, then just simply choose Affirm as your preferred payment method, then just input a few details. This is a straightforward process, ensuring a speedy and efficient payment experience. Now, let's navigate on how to settle the payment on Expedia. Okay, so when you're at the payment stage, take a moment to decide how you'd like to pay. Expedia might offer you various payment plans, so go ahead and select the one that aligns with your preference and budget. It's all about choosing the option that works best for you. And lastly, for added convenience, you can download the Affirm app or sign in at affirm.com, as this allows you to set up autopay or effortlessly make your payments for your Expedia purchase, making the management of your payments a seamless experience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.